So Andrew, can you get a job through LinkedIn? Of course you can. Guys, it's 2020 and we're living in a strange world. I hope you guys are all coping well, and I'm sure we'll see the light to seeing everything coming back to normal in a short time. LinkedIn has always been a professional tool to get people connected all around the world, and for different reasons. In order to know how to get a job with LinkedIn, you need to know how to use it. Remember, recruiters, HR, and headhunters are using this platform every day. In fact, statistics have shown 60% of recruiters use LinkedIn solely for their recruiting. So why are you not on there yet? Get it, it's for free, you just sign up. The biggest thing you all need to know is about personal branding. Though the concept is not new and many organizations hasn't been really on top of it, it's only really starting to pick up and becoming a big consideration. We are also advancing through a digital age where information is only at your fingerprint. The process will be shorter and much quicker. So what do I mean by all this? It is still necessary to still be proactive and engage people, though it's even more important to be aware of your public figure and see if it looks sensible and professional in the eyes of the recruiter or the HR. Also, would your content suggest you can provide necessary value and experience? It's going to show that you're a greater fit. Let me walk you behind the scenes of LinkedIn if you don't already know. Especially the back end of LinkedIn, such as the tool Recruiter, allows for so many great benefits. So guys, now you can see that we're in the back end of Recruiter, and what I'm trying to do is I want to find registered nurses. So what I like to do when I'm finding my nurses is I tend to put all the keywords that I think that all the candidates would use. So for example, you don't just say nurse, you probably say registered nurse, or you even abbreviate to RN. And all that kind of stuff as well. Now, I'm also wanting to find out also what kind of certificate or license they use. And in this case, we're using AHPRA, I believe. You can then filter the search to have more people, also including NUM, which is the manager, nurse unit manager, and just broadening it out a bit more to even clinical nurses. Okay guys, so I've hit the search button and let's see what we've got. So over here on the right side, we've got all our candidates, but I'm gonna blur that for now. We're just gonna focus on the left where we can see the filtering system. So you can filter by the job titles and location and whatnot. I'm just gonna give you an example. Click on the job title. I can actually type in nurses or nurse, and you can see what pops up. It'll give you also relevant roles that might be suggested to what you're also finding. Now for location, obviously we're in Melbourne, Australia, so let's make sure that we type it in, that we get it nailed down where we want our candidates to be. And then we also select the type of skills. Then we're going down to, well, skip this, you don't need to go to the school part for this one. Industry, you might as well tick it, it's got healthcare there as well. And then you've got keywords, which is what we did in the beginning. You can actually this is very cool, you can actually filter the years of experience as well. So I'm going to go where the peak of people are, as you can see. So I'm just gonna bring it all down to the point, I think probably say about 16 years and about 3 years. So that gives me a very good idea of all the candidates that will come across. You can also search by entry or senior or that kind of stuff, and also languages as well. Believe it or not, I can even filter by English, and if I wanted Chinese candidates as well, I can even select that. Now going on to advanced search, you can also select, in this case it's a bit funny, but anyways, it doesn't have a lot of results, but you can choose by how many days someone has joined or when did they recently join, because it allows you to be able to speak to them as soon as they just joined on LinkedIn. Now guys, I've just opened up an example of a particular candidate. I'm blurring him out for a reason, but you can see all the keywords in the job description. You can see that he's clearly in clinical nurse. He's enrolled in Division 2 as well. And yeah, you basically get the point. You know where he works, and you see what kind of words you're going to be looking for, such as registered nurse. Now guys, I want to bring you back to my profile real quickly. I just want to give you a quick example of something that you can also look at your LinkedIn. So make sure the image is good and your title is catchy, as I said. Now going down, there's articles, but what's also important here is your activity. Now guys, make sure your activity is you're being professional on LinkedIn and you're not saying anything that's a bit nonsense, because people can actually go to your activity and see what you've been liking and how you've been commenting as well. I'm going to show you now just real quickly, if you were going to connect with people, how you're going to be doing so. The most common way is actually go through your own networks at the stage and see who you're already connected with in the field that you're looking for, and then just press on one of the person that you want to use as an example. I'm going to be using someone in multiplex, and then you can basically just go straight to how many employees are working there and find the people that you want to connect with. Another way to do so, which is probably going to be more apparent to the most of you who haven't been using LinkedIn or haven't connected a lot of people, is you're going to use Google. And what you want to do is search up the company again that you want to apply for with the following word LinkedIn, and then you just go to anyone. Like, you can go to anyone's profile as well, it doesn't matter. The whole point is you want to bring yourself to the actual company. Click on it, and then it shows you how many employees are there. Click on that, and then now you can start filtering it if you want to, which is the all filter section, and you can tell them what kind of jobs or what kind of title that you're after, the type of person that you want to connect with. You can then just hit the title and apply for all the type of people you want to apply for. For example, I'm using the project manager. I just type it in and here's all my project managers, up to 22 pages. So there you have it, guys. I hope you find this very useful. Another tip that I would like to share with you, which I haven't gone through this, I'm going to show you right now, is that you want to make sure that your LinkedIn is shown as open to opportunities. Now, it's not about just putting open to opportunities on where your title is. What I'm trying to say is you should go to your settings and mark that you're open to opportunities, and it actually tells you what jobs you want to apply for. So that's going to allow recruiters and HR to see and search you even more properly. And don't forget, your summary is also very important as well. Make sure your summary stands out well. And other than that, I think that's all I need to share with you at this kind of moment. So guys, now you understand how everything works with LinkedIn and how people use it to find people to get jobs. It's now understanding, how do you get headhunted? Now, they can customize with booleans to how they want to find you. And most people are either impulsive or lazy, and that's what I come across with. So they like to start at the top. So wouldn't it make sense that you do your best to rank yourself at the top with a lot of keywords, and not to forget to create a lot of articles and videos to boost your profile visibility. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. What step will you implement first? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and share our content. We post videos every week, and we promise that every video has great content and value that would either benefit you in increasing your income or accelerating to the next job. I look forward to seeing you next time.